Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Tembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Tembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Ntombi yaseGqeberha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ziyamporo ma. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Simfanele sima uzoshutha akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene noSimami.
No, manje
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Definitely found a couple. Oh, son. They look so lovely. Hi, guys. Hello. How are you? Tsheno se di ba ga soyi. Angasoyi lentani?
hayi sukanina.
Bafuna lapha.
Ngabantu bahambe bemisa abantu abathandanayo bababuza imibuzo. Dike naphelelwa i-relationship ngenxa yomfana esenze into
Siyabonga. Sirade kakhulu nomuntu wami.
Excuse me?
hayi wethu ufuna
Uyaphelelwa i-relationship?
ya ngenxa yabantu abafana nani.
Ufunani sisi? Why nithanda ukwenza so?
I want to
Why
ask you
bubbles?
questions
Ngani mhlawumbe?
about your relationship.
Ukubitheni
For
I'm doing your research kaloku on
Okay.
different the
Baby,
different couples I meet.
sokubalisela ngabantu aba.
but
Okhomuntu
Abantu abathina lapha.
yakhumbula le couple le sasibukele andazi wena ugxeka la sisibuthenteni lo efuma senteni amadoda ayi3
yip.
evinjwe ngapha endleleni
Yini
bahambe
lapha? Sisiyabonga ne.
But to be fair, what if your person is cheating now? You know what I throw you
uthani
Don't you want to see her phone?
uthina
Did you?
Baby, ungaza kodwa uthi mhlambi yangichitela.
uyayazi musa
Uyazi ntoni uyazi njani? How does he know?
uyandazi mina
Lol, Lamau.
uyandazi bena
Ngiyakwazi wena. For how long?
wena awungendawo lapho okubalulekileyo mna naye siyazana ufuna usixabanisa
How long have you been with your woman?
It's been 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
2 years.
2 years of happiness.
waqala ukuyiphendula ke uzoyimela mina khona ngizoyiphendula ebuzwa ngawo
2 years, but
Abantu bafuna ukusixabanisa la mntu.
what is it that you like about her?
Yonke into sisi, yonke into ngicela nje unga yabona ngihappy manje ne. So ngicela ungangeni phakathi kwethu.
late
Si happy thina sisi.
ukhwapho siyakhona
Please.
So if your woman is cheating,
Uyajola
fine.
sisi. Uyajola?
Why am I getting
Unawo
asked
umuntu?
this question these days?
Like ngiyazibuza.
Ingenaphi?
No, fanele engene because manje ungena phakathi kwethu. Uyabhoreka, laba ababhorekayo.
I am bored.
Awujoli ne.
plus le type efana nayo ihleli ngalast no last that's why
Kahle sisi. Nihlulekile nina othandweni sike thina sijole sithandane kamnandi.
Chom late get aniyasaba siya
Ijolelwe futhi.
Jolelwe.
why wena
Uma ngani manje?
Iyajola lot. That's why she doesn't want you to check her phone.
Wena wazelaphi? Wazelaphi ngokujola kwakhe?
Because look at her. Look at her. Look at her body language.
Hayi, baby. Ungangijija kodwa ungayenza into enjalo.
why you doubt kantwana
Why yena insist ukuba uyajola?
ngoku wena uzova ngayi uyamazi
Like ngifuna uku understand ene sisi uzama ukungiconfuse noma kwenzakalani. Why would you tell me or why would you ask me
Yima,
ukuthi
wena,
angangijolela lo?
What if it tipiwe?
uyamazi wena
Kwathiwa
Mazi.
this.
ngoku kutheni ufuna umamela
Ndibiziwe.
Ubizo ngiba.
It's not important. I think you guys should switch phones.
ifonza nto
Kahle
cheating on you.
mna ngeke
Samba,
ndiloko
samba,
ndiqalela imijolo ngenxa yam
Hayibo.
andidibene nomfana estratweni i-relationship endisuka kuyo ize ndibe ndidibana nogayi ngo ndingaphinde ndenze loo nto futhi
Oh, but it was not us was that broke up your relationship.
Baby,
sizothetha ngayo hayi
ngicela
ngoku
siyithethe ngoku.
Please.
Ndifuna ukwazi
What is-
ngoku. Uthi kwenze njani awuqala awukakantsheli ngale story. Awungitshele kahle. Kwenzekani?
Nyenzeleke ndixolela.
Ndiwumuntu wakho lokho.
Uba sithethe nge-ex.
Ngixolele mfuna understand.
Uba sithethe nge-ex.
Kufanele ungitshele ukuthi kwenzakalini. Ngathi ngiyaqala ukusizwa le story lesi. Kodwa ngifuna manje ukwanderstanda kangcono ukuthi kwenzakalini kahle.
Yewethu sasizihambele endleleni nalagayi lowa ya. Umusa.
Yeah.
Dibana nomfana obabesenza lento bathi bayayenza baswitch ama couples phone kepha yabo yazibona mazenzo zabo Facebook.
Lento leyo akusiko ukuqala yenzeka ku.
Akoqala so.
Utheni bakuthanda labantu?
Andazi.
Yima kambuza who was
Usisi
cheating in
lo.
your relationship. Kambuza, ask her yourself.
So
Abantu ba Facebook.
Xa kuswitchwa ka ku phone
kulaba
who cheated was it
Batho
your ex?
ubani ukuye wachita?
Ayiwethu bathola abantu ba Facebook efoneni yami. Futhi it's not like
So
nalamfana
you were
wayemsuka
cheating?
because ifoni yakhe zange bayinansika.
So you were
Zange
cheating?
Baby
bayijoyina.
uke wangishithela yini or uyo wachita lapha?
Kulamfana lowa
You too.
it's not like ndandichitha ne.
Okay.
Ndancokola nabantu ba ku Facebook so baqale banansika ifoni yami eqaleni then ke ngoku guys zange babe na chance yokubana bavula ifoni yakhe asinoyazi noba yichitha noba ingachithi na dabe ke ndingomuntu ke obukeka njengesifebe
So uchithile wena?
Yes, ucho. That's what she's saying.
Kule relationship uchithile?
Yes.
Aloko mawumbheka ungakhulumi lutho.
ndizothini mose ndigqiba ukuxelela istory ndenze njani ke andizigqiba ukuxelela ba abantu ba ku Facebook
Awuthi ngibona ifoni yakho
I
manje.
also
Ngathi
think
angikho
so.
safe. Ngathi angikho safe sithando sami.
Asiphathelani phone
Ngicela
Masti?
ukubona ifoni.
Izani guys. We decided must be checking
asiphathelani
phones.
ifoni chomi nalo bhuti ngoku why
It's gonna be the first time namhlanje.
Ngicela nje ukubheka
Because uyafuna,
mhlambe
he wants
kungenzeka
kanti
ukuthi
wena kulomjolo wethu ujolela lo sisi noba
Excuse
baby
me.
ngifuna ukubheka ukuthi I'm in a safe side. Yize sibona.
Hayi.
Okushuthi
Hayi
yajola.
bo.
Okushuthi yajola.
Ndijola naba anduzide ndiphathele ifoni nguwe mose sasigqibele sivumele into yobana siphathelani ifoni go why
So manje ngifuna ukwanderstand ukuthi kahle
imake tata
uyajola noma
siya kuyo
awujola.
noba si
After you check your phones.
hayi eyami ifoni ayizocheckwa
Okushuthi yajola.
uba unabo ubomi ofanele buphilile usengxakini ke kunobe eyami ifoni ivulwe singasuke simaphi imini yonke I don't mind eyami ifoni yeyami imali le
Yabona
Lo
abafundi
savumelana
just-
Shuthi yachita uthi ngokuyeka. Hayi.
ulala naye ke mama
Yo, hayi.
Excuse me.
hayi uzolala naye kalo
Yo, hayi shame. Cela ifoni sis.
ekabani ifoni yanti
Eyakho.
anduzuva foni
Butram, please come stand this side.
mna eyami ifoni khe ndingazuyiva ingxaki yami lapha
Thank you.
Ngicela ifoni
Sis,
ubheke.
telephone.
andifuni asiphathelani kwafoni kaloku kwathi gqi abantu esitrateni bezondixelela into uba mandivule ifoni iwesi uba ndiyakuxelela uba abantu ngabantu babhorekele ezimpilweni zabantu
Yo.
so sisi why uzofuna ifoni yami
Hayi, yabo namhlanje.
Butram, she's cheating.
Namhlanje. Cha.
mosifika ndingachithi uzothini
Hayi leyo sizoyibona after.
Can we
Sis,
have
apha
your
ifoni.
phone as well?
Iyami. Iyami ifunani manje?
So,
Issue ingaya ngithi. I-issue
we
ingaya.
want your phone as well.
ingani ishu ngokubani i-ex
Sicela yakho
yami
phone.
yandibaquba njolo kufacebook
Ya ngifuna ukubona ukuthi I'm in a safe side yini.
What about her?
Angeke
No,
ungishithele
she
yini.
must also
ithe
see
kuwe
kaloku.
masingabamamela abantu wazogqiba wena wanomdla wento ebeyithetha awusafuna uveza
Ufuna
ifoni
ukusixabanisa nawe.
Oh, so now you don't want to give me your phone. Now it's an issue.
Okay? Mina
Thank you.
Mina ayikho into engifuna ukuyihide mina. Ayikho.
Okay. Sissy, what's your name? What of your phone?
undikhalezele later
Okay. Go to our WhatsApp, ne?
Yo.
Okay. Type I love you. Cha apha phezulu.
Uthi sibone.
Search. Okay.
uthi uyatayiva nawe buti
Zenza njani? I have to. Ibheke kahle.
Okay, I love you.
Hey.
What's your name? Gama, what's your name?
Me. Igama lami ngo Ernest mina.
Ernest. Okay. Scroll. That's
akho
yours.
niksi apha akho nto
Hey,
Okay, delete account. Delete.
okay.
Type I miss you.
Sisibona I miss you ke. Ngoba kaloku
Yewethu ucabona Thembi nudu type zonke into uzixelela
Hayi cha.
I don't see anything.
I don't see anything.
Okay, delete.
Angiboni
Type,
lutho la.
outside.
Hayi sisakho lutho la. Ufunani kanti manje?
But kaloku let's see.
Kubonwa ntoni because ayikho lento uyijonga. Wayenganiki ifoni yami kanti
Akho lutho ke la.
Type babe.
No, I'm done manje. Sithanda sami, ngicela ngixolele.
You don't want to type babe at least and see.
No. Yabona manje. Usofuna ukuxabanisa kwangempela manje.
Okay, fine. I'll type for you. Thank you.
Asibonanga lutho. Ufunani manje?
No, hi, son.
Akhuluma.
Boleka ifoni sis. Uhappy?
No, I'm not happy.
Sorry sithanda sami.
Only passcode
Yena ke
pin.
bhuti zizohlala zingalasti relationship zakho ngoba uhamba umamela bonke abantu apha.
Hey, sorry sithanda sami man. Hey, uthi lento le isuke yangidida nje, yabona?
Ulana nosisikantola nokulana.
Oh,
Hey,
Wayezwa umamela abantu ezinjani le?
type I love you.
angimazi lo muntu, angimazi. Angithi uyabona sihlangana naye manje. Kumaze laphi mina?
What's your name?
Thingo Aneki.
Anik.
Yes.
Okay, scroll. Okay, delete. Type pregnant.
Hey,
Uthe nathi me.
sizwe kahle wena yini ngabe?
Wayezwa thi me.
Tena zotoka. Okay, and morning fun. Delete. Type morning after pill.
Hayi, intweni esibuzayo.
After pills ne?
Baby yeke labantu asambe.
Imali osose senze lento ubuyenza komnawe.
Type babe.
Angajola ke lo.
Ngeke ngiyenze into efana naleyo. Ngabe abayeka labantu sambe.
Wait,
mama ke.
come. Yeah, Iruza, who's man mama? Come get in. Go to the media.
Hayi bo bhuti.
Ernest.
Yini? Aninginike ifoni yami.
Yimo. Kuba mamakhe.
Hey babe,
Mamakhe.
mama akhe, othi ngibo?
Usazele nobusamithi.
Umama akhe baby yamkhumbulo yamntwana engakutshela ngaye mos.
Why is she mama kiko?
Buza mamakhe.
Umama kaBoy nje.
Ngimsendela namakhadi John. Wayibumphi imali. Waye bekusenzeka nto? Kuba mamakhe.
Hayi lo angakutshela ngaye baby man. Yamkhumbula ngithi.
Ngixolele nami.
Lo yangakutshela ngaye ukuthi uthi mina ngimithisile ngingamithisanga mina.
Wayezwa
So I'm saying mama kiko.
sendelana nabantu.
Yeah, umama kaBoy nje lo. Umama kaBoy nje. Uye lona mos.
Ngiyajola.
Lo yamntana engakutshela ngaye ukuthi hayi lona uthi mina ngimithisile. Yena ngiyazi leyo nto mina. Yabo? Hey,
Tell us if
oyaphi phone yami?
Why are you putting his phone in your bag?
Sifuna ima wo. Sifuna uthi kuthani ke?
Ilo yamuntu le yana ngitshela ngalo.
Njani ke wena ke?
Othi mina ngimithisi.
Hayi, umfuna mama Zandani apha. Mama Zandani phaya.
Ngikutshelile labantu laba bazosixabanisa lapha.
Give me some masimfonela umama ke.
Awuhamba usuke la.
Let's call her. Angithi what's her name?
Call who?
Umama.
Hayi singamfoneli lo muntu loyo man.
Let's call her.
Abenzukwini.
Hayi.
Buxakwe kukuhamba. Une drop.
Uyazi
Nandani?
kuwe. Uyazi.
Une drop. Wathini wena? Uxoke wathini?
So manje sokhuluma nabantu ongabazi ngento zethu.
Wathini wena?
Ngathini? Ama personal issues
Lo bhuti lo.
wethu siwafaka nje ebukhazikazini.
Lo bhuti lo. Number 1 labhaqa ibilisi. Wathi nguprep. Ndabhaqa ikhadi. Uyabe ikhadi lakho nalibhaqa phansi kwematrasi ulifake ngapha ya kwempilo. Apha ezinsukwini andanoyebe ne-drop noyebe ne-discharge noyebe kusenzeka ntoni kuye kodwa bephuma ukubovu engakwazi nokuhamba yonke into ehlele ezoyicacisa ngeke ungamkholelwa lo mfana lo imali yakhe awuyazi noba uyithi ndikholelwa nento yokubana uyathakathwa ebese sivumelana into yokubana kule pasika sizoya emntwini ahamba ayohlola abone uba kwenzeka ntoni ngemali yakhe kanti unomntwana
Ithini into bhuti?
Baby ngifuna ukuchazela masifike endlini.
Chaza ngoku.
Eish.
ubutheni apha
Shuthi kahle
afike ngenayo nebhedi bra endlini yakhe lala kwisikolokolo
Bamthengela ibhedi wena.
Yo! Iba man. Eish. Zanilimaza man. Excuse people wami man. Excuse.
Do you want to call mama?
Ufuna unilimaza futhi la. Uyithola lapha.
ndiyamshiya
Yamshi.
Angixolele.
It's over.
Cela ungixolele. Akusiya amabombo lena.
And it also is going to make you sick.
Angikho nabi sure ukuthi lo mntana owami.
lapho kanjani uxokela ntoni ngoba ngumama wakhe lo yingane le
Yes.
eseyizelwe nokuzala uxokela ntoni
Eish. Sithando sami.
uxokela ntoni ngoku umuntu osamithi ungamsendela izimali
Khuluma masifike endlini. Ngiyacela. Asikize ngicela ungixolele ngale. Cela ungixolele ngale.
lala wena shuthi okokoko nzoloko ndigula mna kule
Ungekho sithando sami ubusy.
bendibhizi phi
So when I was and so you decided to go to mama and sleep with mama.
bendibhizi phi
Uhamba uyazazi nawe mosinto zakho.
uxokela ntoni
So lo muntu wayekhona.
ndandike ndangababhizi ngayo uthi uyandifuna ndangafumaneka
Kuyenzeka ukuthi ngabamba ifoni yakho nawe.
ndingabamba ifoni xa kutheni
Emini.
oh
Uyazazi ukuthi njani.
ubatywa nasemini wena
Cela ungixolele sithando sami asilungise lena.
ubatywa nasemini wena uthakathwanga kahle kahle omakazi bakho babenyanisa ilibu useless babetshilo vele bathi useless nisazokubona into yazi uhamba ulala uzophelela kweli goli ke bhuti shuthi uzohamba ugaqa ngeandi uzofika uphethe iziport bag fuck off
Cela man. Baby. Sithando sami.
So yamshiya.
Dali.
Your relationship is over, ne? It's finished.
Eish.
It's finished. Mama can
Uwe nje.
Mama.
Uyebulela i-relationship
Yes,
yami.
I'm sorry. How long have you been with mama?
1.5 year.
1.5 years.
Sithandwa.
And her 2 years.
2 years.
So I figure mama.
Kanti nina vele niyawabulala ama relationship abantu kanje.
Intoni imithisa.
Akamithi lo muntu. Ngiyenze njani leyo nto mina?
Mama on your phone.
Eish.
So who's email xa uzothi omnye ngumama?
Umama kaBoy lo yana. Lona okay akamithi umuntu wami. Eish. Yangishaya nami lento le so ngagcina manje senyanga ngaphandle ngizama ngoba ngiyayifuna ingane. Yeah.
Hi, it's fine. Go tell her that. Go explain.
We emotional relationship yami manje.
Yeah, but you're the one
Baby.
that's cheating, so you'll be fine. Oh. All right, CMTV viewers, that is an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Sirame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame_. See you later.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name of course is Lisa Sirame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process of course I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Simfanele sma. Uzoshutha akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami.
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?